Alright, so when a particle's speed doubles, its momentum is going to triple. The way we can write this is that we have our initial momentum, which is going to be mass times an initial velocity, and we're going to have to always include this Lorentz factor, which is 1 minus v squared. I'm just going to write it as v squared so we can get it in terms of c. And we know triple this is going to be equal to the final momentum, which is just going to be mass times the final velocity, which we know is going to be twice the initial velocity. So I'll just carry this 2 out here. 2mv is going to equal square root of 1 minus 4v squared, because we're going to square that 2v term. All right, with that in consideration, what can we take out? We can take out this m, this v, and this m and that v. So this turns into a 3 over 1 minus v squared term is equal to a 2 over